welcome back to my channel.
Who's next?
So today I'm doing a video, well tonight I should say, because the time is actually 10:39. Yes, it's Sunday the 14th of June. Soon will be Monday, but let me do this quick because I have to get up in the morning to do school and Monday is my full day. But yes, I decided to do a video with me baking. So this bacon with M's, but it's not like nothing from scratch and it shouldn't take too long. So I'm baking this is the brownie supreme chocolate chunk brownie mix with big chunks of real chocolate. That's what it says. Very proper. So I have to get these things like that. As always, make sure you look at these things before you start. Make sure you got everything. So it's a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So then you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You go like butter the pan so that it don't stick, like grease the bottom of the pan. Stir the brownie mix, the water, the oil, and the egg. Medium-sized bowl until well blended. Spread in pan. Bake as directed to the chart. So the pan I have, like my grandmother reminded me that I have a pan that I bought from $3 store, $1 So I think it was $4. It's called $3 store, but it's $1. So this is the pan here. I have to dry it. Cause I just wash it back out. It is not like, it's not a bad material, but like I just do this a lot. So you gotta be careful with that. I'm already about to show the brownie mix from beyond the accident. So I think it's a bit bigger than the measurement, so it should be able to lay down flat in here. Shouldn't overflow, hopefully. It doesn't. I don't think it will. It's not like a cake that really rise like that here. Okay, so now that I have everything practically ready, I have the pan dry. I put the butter in my butter. I will use some of this to put in the pan to grease it. I'll show you all what I do. Have the mix here, have the egg, and I have 2 measuring cups so that I don't have to go and rush to wash up one into, So I have this big one so that I could fill up the, how much? A 1/4 cup. A 1/3 cup, my bad. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. What's that? Vegetable oil, but this oil works. This is soybean oil. This will work. So we got no vegetable oil, but this one will work. So you take the cup, a 1/4 of the cup. One a quarter. This one. I mean a 1/3. Like you saying a 1/4 cup? This one's a 1/3. So it goes to here. I'm not sure. Yeah. This one's a 1/3 cup. So I go to here. And I know my hand will be steady, but y'all could kind of see, if I let my hand stay still, y'all could see it goes to there. Now we need a 1/4 cup of water. So a 1/4 is here on the 1 cup measurement. Let's get the water and come back. So you got your water. You can say it's not level or whatever, but when I put it down, it's at a 1/4. And we have the egg. You should crack the egg in something else just in case the egg is not a good one. So it's going to be mixed and it will spoil the mix. So I have this bowl. I'm going to wash my hair real quick. So the egg is good. I'm going to use that one. Let's see if we can show y'all. If I can show y'all before spilling it. Y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see it. Alright. You know what? I'm going to just keep it. Y'all going to believe that ain't here. Y'all going to see it when I pour it in. So all 3 things are here now. You can turn on the oven. Turn on the oven to warm up. That makes sense. It's set to 350, so that'll be 180 Celsius. About 180. So you look. Okay, and it light. It can hold so that even like boom. Not like a big one. Just meaning that it got heating and it expanding. Or rather it is. Okay, so while that is heating up, I didn't mix the thing yet, but I'm putting the grease inside the pan. So I get one of these, and I fold it to suit, and then take this. And either put some on this, or put it in the pan and then spread it. If that makes sense. Y'all can see. Y'all can see. Let me show you real quick. You put it like this. Do it like if you're rubbing something on you. You know when you get alcohol and you want to rub it on your skin when you got a cut or something. Or just cleaning things and you rub it on your tissue or whatever. If this not enough, you take it and put it directly on this. Yeah, it's not enough, so I got pour wrong. So I just pour it onto here. Try not to use that too much. Because we don't want that much grease. Alright, that's enough. So then we use this and we spread it. Ooh, I don't want to use it in my hand, but it can happen. So make sure that all along the pan is greased so that brownies do not stick. Even though it's supposed to be a non-stick material, you know how that is working. You want a little bit more. So we're putting enough all across the pan in the corners so that it does not stick. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. We're going to do this way now. Put this back. Put back your things part of the final. So stir brownie mix with water, oil, and egg. So we're getting in our order. Even though it doesn't tell you, like, you have to do this first, or you're gonna do that one first. We're just going with the order that it goes in and do right up. But yes, now y'all can see the thing. Just take out your mix. This would look like in case y'all never like used one of these before. This would look like just come with that. So put this into the bowl. We should have opened this before we were turning it open. It won't be difficult. Alright, not to do. Ain't no spill. Ain't no spill with me. Let me shampoo. I know you big kind of. And that hot one. A bit more of that. So let me shame it. So let me shame. Alright, actually big enough now. Come out. Just put this inside here now. We gotta keep this here because we gotta see how long it gotta stay in for. So I changed the angle so y'all could just mainly see the mix. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna put it inside the bowl. And then it says, y'all can see it. Water, oil, egg. Water. Water. Make sure all come out. Oil. And then egg. See? Okay. So we're gonna wash out these things. Use the spoon for this here and all mixed up in here now. We're gonna wash out these things and turn to some. But let me mix up this here. Okay, alright, okay. So far it's going well. Again, toughen over. You can see like little clumps in it, but them is the chocolate chip, the chocolate chunks. You're gonna put work in. Mix it. Work up a sweat trying to mix that in. I'm gonna start trying to pour it in here. Again, I apologize for you late time. This has been recorded at night time. We mix back in a bit more so that make sure it stays together good. We start to pour. Make sure I hold the bowl good though, but it will trick you. Look at your fit, yeah. Look at your fit. Alright, cool. Before we take, right? We gotta even it out. Drop out. Okay, alright. So we even it out. You are about to be there, because so now let's go. So I just spreading it so that it will fill in parts. It will be kind of even. So now we continue pouring. We try to fill in corners. Alright, I was saying that I'm gonna try to upload this video either on my birthday, so y'all can see this on 19th, but it's recorded on 14th, edited on I don't know when. That was a joke. I know that that's not correct English, but I guess y'all will get 2 videos in this week. It will kind of knock up for the ones that I was missing. Okay, we're trying to square up everything. Oh, I got a message, man. Just kidding, that was a street. That's what I'm messaging. Let me take the spoon out. get this off of here. It look pretty even to me. You see how this feels to move? Well, not that. Oh, see it do like this, I think. Another one? Oh, streak again. Anyways, we ready to put the oven up. Wait, how long is supposed to put the same for? It's not thick, so you ain't need that much time. Oh, it's at 35 minutes. Oh, average 35 minutes for this one. I'm ready to put in the oven. Alright, so don't ever really stand up directly in front of them because heat can come out. If you're not accustomed to heat, then go stand up right in front of it. Let me set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 35 minutes.
Okay, 35 minutes and counting.
So now we shall wait, and we're going to wash up first, and then watch some Chicago, no, not Fire, PD. Watch both, but right now watching PD, and I started from season 1, episode 1, and I'm already at season 2. But with Chicago Fire, it also started from the beginning, but I think at season 5, because we started, by me and my parents watched Chicago Fire together, but we at season 5 for that one. But we're watching Chicago PD, and at season 2. Whoa. We should do some TikToks. No, that's the idea. But we gotta wash up first, cause look how it sink. Gotta wash up first. Okay, so I'm gonna do a TikTok dance real quick. Put my TikTok over here, or both. Y'all could just follow me. It's my TikTok here. See? It's like 4 underscore, I think. No, it's the Emsley's 4. Oh, I had a TikTok there just now. Hold up. So I'm gonna do, you wanna, some of these colors. That goes like this. Purple tree, cause I got this burning me. Curly yellow dancing on me. Till she smelled the ground. She straight from California. Tricky and she wanna tell me she like boys and girls. Oh well, that's so cute for me. That one. Y'all get the idea. And that's cool. That's how it went. Hopefully I don't get a copyright for that song. But let's just save that. I don't think I posted that, but yeah. Follow my TikTok, please. Oh yeah. Subscribe while you're at it. Like, just echo. 1 second. Just go down and subscribe to It's M's Life. Support the hustle. Well, it's not really a hustle because I ain't paid. But it's a hobby, so let's go. Right now we should be at 200. Wait, no. Because right now we're at 1. Well, at the time of this recording, we're at 199. Look at that there. Look at that. Y'all can't even see it. Y'all can't even see it. Oh my gosh. Alright, I can take a screenshot and show it all. Put in video. Right there. Put it there and put it there and me editing this must have crowned myself so bad. But anyways, yeah. I've come a very long way because it's nearly, switch the angle real quick. It's nearly a year already. Well, by the time y'all see this, it can be a year because this one got uploaded on my birthday. Hopefully I edit it sometime during this week. So happy birthday to me in the future. I'm gonna be 18. I'm gonna be 18. I am 18 by that day, if that makes sense. But happy birthday to me. If y'all want a shout out, go in comments, like this comment section. I will try to make sure that it's on, like for you to be able to comment. And y'all type in whatever y'all want to put. A shout out, please. I would like a shout out, please. And I will try to record it on my birthday. And yeah, that'll be my birthday video. I'll get all the shout outs for sure. Right now we have 3 more minutes to go. Y'all can't even see it properly. I don't know why I got so much energy at night time. If this video is not long enough, I'm gonna make my shake, the Frappuccino shake that I told y'all I was gonna make, and I'm gonna put it in this here for sure. If I do that, I'm gonna insert it now. Okay, if I didn't insert it, that means that this video either long enough or I just didn't make it. But please stay tuned. Again, watch some Chicago PD in meanwhile, and I'll get back to y'all when it's done.
So under house arrest.
You want to see us started?
All that doesn't leave your sight till I say so, and he stays here to the 21st. You got it.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Alright, that's enough. I afraid the light gonna blow, so just making sure the oven's still on. But yeah, that's what it look like. It is now 11:29. Well, 11:29. I have 14 minutes and 15 seconds left. I don't know if I feel like I might have put it in for like a bit much. Well, actually, since it's not as thick, I don't know. Stop timer.
I stopped the timer.
Okay. Here. Let me get a toothpick. Okay, toothpick. And here's your thing. It shouldn't come out with anything on it. If it is ready. Look, I'm gonna stop doing that. Trying to give me a heart attack. Anyway, it ain't got nothing on it. Beige don't come up there just now. It doesn't have on anything on it. So it means that it's ready. Right, another section. Nah. Put this in here now. I'll try it here. And fill up a bit. Still nothing, so I think we're ready to let it cool. Don't forget to turn off the oven. And leave on this up light. See y'all soon for a taste test. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a little plate here and I'll take out this tiny piece here. We have our one slice that is flaked. This is special. We're gonna taste it. We can taste it here. No, this one going to chunk. Not because I make it, but because it tastes good. Fully down. It tastes good. And you can taste the chunks in it. Would recommend. 100% would recommend. We should also take a thumbnail. Not too late. Y'all see that in thumbnail. I always forget to make it. Like, well, get a picture for it. I always make it, but I guess I could do outro. Alright, and that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please come back for more. So I got 2 videos this week, guys. Birthday week special. I'll try to get 3. 3? No, it will be 2 because then Sunday starts a new week. So y'all will get that birthday video next week, either Sunday or during the week. I promise. Promise. Not gonna break that promise, guys. But cue the outro, like the actual finishing words. Cue it. Remember, always believe in yourself, ignore the haters, that's the main thing, and we out of here. Bye!
Put your hand